Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop your Messenger app from opening on startup here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our task manager. How? At the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and click on task manager. The moment you've clicked or bring up the task manager, please proceed at the left pane or the left side of that and locate with startup apps. The moment you find it, you would be able to see all of the applications or programs that is running or opening at the startup. Now here you need to locate for Messenger. In my case, I don't have such, but if you do, all you need to do is you need to do a right click along with it and go with disable. In my case, again, I have Microsoft Edge, but I don't have Messenger. So the case is you need to disable the Messenger. And once you have disabled it, it will mark the status disabled. Once you're done, you have just stop the Messenger from opening on startup. The next method that you can do is you need to press Windows key and R key together. And in that way, you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. From here, please type for shell colon startup. Again, type for shell colon startup and click on OK to proceed. So you'll be able to see a window like this. And if you happen to see your messenger here, I'm sure it is appearing here at the startup since you have opened it on startup. So all you need to do is you need to navigate, select it, and the moment you've highlighted, click on this trash icon to delete it. Once you have ensured that you have deleted it, close the window. And the moment you relaunch or restart your computer again, you won't be able to open the Messenger app on startup anymore. Okay. So those are the steps on how to stop the Messenger app from opening on startup. If those methods help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on stopping your messenger app from opening on the startup. Okay, so thank you and have a good day everyone.